sit at home and wonder how it'd be if he had loved me, truly loved me, yes. I learned a while ago the kind of thing never happens for me. And so I go around and just pretend love is not for me. I play the circus clown around my friends, make them laugh and they won't see that you never let them see you sweat. Don't want them to think the pain runs deep. Lord knows it's killing me. So I put on my makeup, put a smile on my face, and if anyone asks me, everything is okay. I'm laughing 'cause no one knows a joke is on me, 'cause I'm dying inside with my pride and the smile on my face, on my face, singing la la la, la 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 la, la 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 la, oh la la. Sometimes I sit at home by the phone, hoping he might call me, but he don't call.